Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Today we are going to explore 11 Labs voice agents. So let me just make sure TikTok's online and we'll get to it. Alrighty. So I don't know how much you guys know about 11 Labs, but they're probably the top tier voice agents at the moment. They're very good at uploading your own voice and getting you to say stuff. So what we're going to explore today is just seeing how well the AI agents have improved over the last 6 months since I started using them. All right, guys. So what we've got here is a customer support agent. Looks like we've got a system prompt. You are a friendly and efficient customer support agent for a retail business. You're helpful, polite, and focused on resolving customer issues quickly and effectively. You address the customers by name when available and guide them through support process with patience and clarity. So they've got an environment instruction here as well, which is kind of interesting. So you are assisting customers via a customer support channel, which could be a phone call, chat, or other messaging platform. Okay, so it's giving it a personality, then we give it an environment of where it should be operating within. So you have access to customer order history, product information, and frequently asked questions to help resolve issues. The customer may be contacting you for a variety of issues, including order inquiries, product questions, retails, and complaints. So that's, I guess, where the channel is. They call it environment. That's fine. And now they go and talk about tone. Your responses are clear, concise, and professional, aiming to resolve issues in as few steps as possible. You use a friendly, empathetic tone, acknowledging customer frustrations and assuring them that you are there to help. You avoid technical jargon and explain things in simple terms that anyone can understand. You use positive language and focus on solutions rather than problems. You use strategic pauses and emphasis for clarity in spoken instructions. It's pretty interesting, actually. So let's continue. Goal. Your primary goal is to efficiently resolve customer issues and ensure customer satisfaction through the following structured workflows. Issue identification. Identify the reason for the customer's contact. Cool. Gather all necessary information to understand the issue fully. Order number. And then solution provision. Provide accurate and helpful information to address the customer's questions or concerns. Hey everyone on TikTok, thanks for joining us. We're just learning about voice agents at the moment. So offer solutions to resolve the customer's issues, such as processing a return, issuing a refund, or providing a replacement. Explain the steps the customer needs to take to implement a solution. So resolution confirmation. Confirm that the customer is satisfied with the solution provided. Answer any remaining questions the customer may have. And thank the customer for contacting customer support. Documentation. Document the customer's issue and solution provided in the customer support system. Escalate complex issues to a supervisor or specialized team if necessary. Cool. So apply conditional branching at key decision points. If the issue cannot be resolved immediately, provide a timeline for resolution and keep the customer informed of progress. If the customer is dissatisfied with the initial solution, explore alternative solutions to meet their needs. Success is measured by first contact resolution rate, customer satisfaction scores, and the efficiency of the issue resolved. Guardrails. So they even specify guardrails. Remain within scope of the company policies and procedures. Politely decline requests that violate these policies. Never ask or share sensitive customer information such as passwords or credit card details without proper verification. Acknowledge that you don't know an answer instead of guessing, offering to find the correct information or escalate the issue. Hey everyone on TikTok, thanks for joining. So maintain a professional tone even when the customers express frustration. Never become defensive or argumentative. If the customer requests actions beyond your capabilities, like changing account settings or processing refunds, clearly explain the limitation and offer the appropriate alternative channel. Do not offer legal, medical, or financial advice. Tools, customer database, product information, frequently asked data. Cool, return processing and refund system. Cool, let's go test this out. That's pretty cool. Okay, preview the agent.
Hi there, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to make a booking.
Certainly, I can help you with that. To assist you best, could you please tell me what kind of booking you're looking to make? For
I'd like.
example, are you interested in a specific service, product, or perhaps an appointment?
What products do you sell?
We offer a wide range of products across various categories. To give you the most relevant information, could you tell me what type of product you're interested in? For example, are you looking for electronics, apparel, home goods, or something else?
I'm looking for home goods, so anything to do with bedding.
Thank you for clarifying. We do have a lovely selection of bedding products. Just to make sure I'm on the right track, you initially mentioned wanting to make a booking. Are you looking to book a consultation for bedding, or are you interested in browsing and purchasing our bedding products?
I'd like to browse and purchase your bedding products.
Excellent. We have a fantastic selection of bedding products available. You can easily browse and purchase our full range of bedding on our website. Would you like me to direct you there? Or are you looking for something specific like sheets, duvets, pillows, or perhaps a particular brand or material? I can help you find details about specific items if you have something in mind.
Direct me to the website, please.
Certainly, you can find our complete collection of bedding products on our official website. Please visit insert website address here, e.g., darretailstore.com.
Cool. So what's the best way to contact you and what are your opening hours?
That's a great question. The best way to contact us for support is right here through this channel. Or you can reach us by phone at 1 800 555 0123. Our customer service team is available to assist you from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., Monday through Friday, and from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturdays. We are closed on Sundays.
Cool. Thanks for your help. Wait. So that was very realistic just from what I can tell. There was no real issues. Like obviously we've got to insert some variables and get it working. So if I go back here, well, replace our customer database. So we can set dynamic variables, which is pretty cool. So dynamic, so system prompts, first messages, tools and parameters. Cool. Cool. So there's a lot to learn with this 11 Labs thing, which is really cool. Cool. So what can we do here? We can add the dynamic variables. Cool. Might just go ahead and try and create. So you can do workflows. So we can pass it over to sub-agents. So I guess we can pass the phone call to other ones. What do we can do here? Phone number transfer, agent transfer, sub-agent. That's pretty cool. A tool. So we've got a qualification flow. Wow, look at that. So you can add a prompt. Wow, so you can actually do a full IVR system now using AI agents. That's pretty cool. That is very cool. So 11 Labs can now do workflows. It's just kind of like AWS, really. Cool. Transfer agent, test, widgets. Security, advanced. So you can do chat models. So 11 Labs looks like it's getting very advanced, which is very, very cool. So if I want to do a new agent, a business agent, outbound sales. See if we can just create this outbound sales and see how they're doing their prompts. It's pretty cool, actually. So outbound sales is pretty cool. What else do they have? Scheduling. Scheduler agent. Hey guys, thanks for joining on TikTok. So we've got a scheduler agent. So it'd be pretty cool to have a scheduling agent for a service business. So maybe like a spa, massage parlor, just get something ready for them so it automatically integrates with their system. So what other voices can they use?
Now don't stress, humbug. Everything's gonna work out just fine. Mama sure.
The sea's waves are cradles for the dreaming mind.
Hello, my name is Jess. I love people and good conversations. What do you feel like talking about today?
It's pretty cool.
Just as surfers wait for
when we seek to discover the best in
Life's messy, weird, and pretty amazing. Let's talk about it.
even the smallest steps.
I'd rather regret the things that
it is not so important to know it.
The years teach much.
our distrust is very expensive.
Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none. God has given you one face, and you make yourself another. Life isn't about fun.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
So that's pretty cool. So we've now got like these pretty cool system prompts. Answering service, auto tracking, loyalty programs, lead generation. Let's do the lead generation one. So lead generation AI agent. It's pretty cool. So identifying potential customers, build rapport, gathering information, qualifying leads, scheduling appointments. So you could potentially Cool. What was that one? Sorry, that was, let's do learning and development. Oops. What was this one? This was a product recommendation. Oh, answering service. So I guess delete that one. Symptom guidance, telehealth support, prescription. Wow, they got a lot of cool use cases. Wow. So you got fitness and wellness. Class booking. So that's really cool. See, they've got all these templates ready for the AI agents, and you just kind of just go ahead and create them. So let's have a read about how these workflows actually work.
Workflows is our graph-based editor that allows you to craft complex logic for your conversational agents. It works with extra instructions or actions that your agent can execute, and with edges that define how your agent should flow through the graph during a conversation with a user. The main type of node is a sub-agent node. You can consider a sub-agent node as a kind of update to the agent's configuration. So here I've defined that on top of the system prompt of the agent, we should also append this instruction to figure out if the user wants a premium deal, a refund, or just a generic meeting. At this point in the conversation, I could also define that the agent should use a different voice or use a separate LLM than before. This can be really helpful where in some cases you want to use a quick LLM to get the user to the right part of the workflow, and other times you want the user to have a conversation with a slower LLM so that it gets a better response that's more accurate. At this initial qualification node, I've also added access to a knowledge base item that's attached to the system prompt, and also to another tool that the agent can call if needed. From here, I have to define some edges that define how the agent should get to other nodes. So I've defined an edge here as an LLM condition, where the LLM will decide if the agent should transfer to this new node based on the condition that if the user wants a premium deal, it should transfer to this node here. If the user wants a refund also, I've defined it should transfer to the refund meeting agent, and if the user just wants a generic meeting, it should transfer here to this client meeting booker. Edges can go both forwards and backwards, so you can create complicated loops. For example here, I've defined that if the user expresses some doubt, they should go back to the initial qualification agent. Once we've done the first transfer, we can explore the different nodes that the agent logic to that day. That at this point, 11 Labs intricate experience. I look forward to seeing you in those videos.
Cool. So it looks like you can pass off the AI agent to a sub-agent over the phone in real time. So that is very cool. So it looks like there is a lot to learn. So we can do rags as well.
We have added retrieval augmented generation to now Jess from Gemini. We can have a conversation. Yeah, that's where that up to upload.
It's pretty cool. So you can do MCP servers as well.
Welcome back to the 11 Labs Agents Academy. In the previous videos, we've looked at creating our very first customer support agent, embedding.
So we can call APIs as well. MCPs. Cool. So what's the difference between 11 Labs and Vappy? Do I even need VAPI? That's the thing. Just sign up and see what VAPI is offering. And then there's retail as well. Go away. Cool. So let's see what this difference between 11 Labs and Riley is.
Thank you for calling Wellness Partners. This is Riley, your scheduling assistant. How may I help you today?
Hi Riley, I'd like to make an appointment.
I'd be happy to help you with scheduling. Let me get some information from you so we can find the right appointment. What type of appointment are you looking to schedule today?
I'd like to make a appointment for a spa appointment, 30 minutes today.
Wellness Partners specializes in medical and wellness services, but we do not offer spa appointments. If you're looking for wellness services like nutrition counseling or physical therapy, I can help schedule that. Otherwise, you might want to check with a local spa for their availability. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Can we do a physical therapy appointment?
Certainly, we can schedule a physical therapy appointment for you. Have you visited our clinic before, or will this be your first appointment with us?
This will be my first appointment.
Great. Since this is your first visit, I'll need to collect some basic information. Could I have your full name, date of birth, and a phone number where we can reach you?
John Smith. Date of birth is the 1st of November 2001. And my phone number is 0412312312.
Thank you, John. Now, let's find an available time for your physical therapy appointment. Just a moment while I check the schedule. For a new patient physical therapy appointment, I have availability on date at time or date at time. Would either of those times work for you?
Yes, the first one.
Perfect, John. I've reserved your physical therapy appointment for day or date at time. Since this is your first visit, please arrive 20 minutes early to complete the new patient forms. Be sure to bring your photo ID, insurance card, and a list of any medications you're currently taking. To confirm, you're scheduled for physical therapy on date at time. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Who will I be meeting?
You'll be meeting with one of our experienced physical therapists, the therapist name. They'll guide you through your session and address any questions or concerns you might have. Is there anything else you'd like to know or any other assistance you need today?
That's all. Thanks, bye. So that was kind of interesting. Let's see how that compares to 11 Labs. Booking appointment, health and medical, spa. Scheduler, wellness, scheduler. So we'll do a direct comparison just to see what the two different agents are like. I feel like that kind of felt a little bit robotic, but let's find out. So let's preview this one.
Hi there, ready to book your next wellness appointment?
Yes, I am.
Wonderful. To help me find the perfect time for you, could you please tell me what service you are interested in scheduling today?
Just a 30-minute physical therapy session, please.
Thank you for letting me know. I can certainly help you schedule a 30-minute physical therapy session. Let me just check our system for available times for you. Could you please tell me your preferred day or time of day for this appointment?
Midday.
Thank you for that. I'm checking for midday availability for a 30-minute physical therapy session. How about tomorrow, Wednesday at 12:30 p.m. or Thursday at 1 p.m.? Do
That's
either of those
great.
times work
Thanks.
for you?
Bye. I'm going to try just a different agent and just see if we can do a direct comparison.
Hi there. Ready to book your next wellness appointment?
Yes, I am.
Wonderful. To help me find the perfect time for you.
Oops. So let me just save those changes. So I'm doing a direct comparison now between VAPI and 11 Labs and see which one's better.
Thank you for calling Wellness Partners. This is Riley, your scheduling assistant. How may I help you today?
I'd like to make an appointment.
I'd be happy to help you with scheduling. To start, what type of appointment are you looking to schedule today?
I'd like to make a physical therapy appointment.
Certainly, I can help you with that. Do you have a specific physical therapist you would like to see, or would you prefer the first available appointment?
Who do you have available today?
I can certainly check for physical therapy availability today. To help me find the right appointment, have you visited our clinic before, or will this be your first appointment with us?
This will be my first appointment.
Thank you for letting me know this will be your first appointment with us. Let me check our schedule for physical therapy availability today. Please keep in mind that new patients typically need to arrive 20 minutes early to complete some initial paperwork.
So that seemed very slow compared to VAPI. Let's try VAPI again.
Thank you for calling Wellness Partners. This is Riley, your scheduling assistant. How may I help you today?
I'd like to make an appointment.
I'd be happy to help you with scheduling. Let me get some information from you so we can find the right appointment. What type of appointment are you looking to schedule today?
I'd like to make a physical therapy appointment.
Great. Are you looking to see a specific physical therapist, or would you prefer the first available appointment?
The first available appointment.
Got it. Have you visited our clinic for physical therapy before, or will this be your first appointment with us?
This will be my first appointment. All right. So what's the pricing difference between 11 Labs, and I'm preferring VAPI actually, just doing a quick comparison. So I guess VAPI is probably going to be a better choice because you can switch in the different providers, whereas with 11 Labs, it looks like you're locked in to theirs. Yeah, I definitely noticed the speed with VAPI compared to 11 Labs. This is OpenAI there. What, OpenAI is cheaper? What is this OpenAI TTS? I've got to explore that. That looks like another product.
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This simple fact has been observed by humans for thousands of years.
So it looks like I've got to go ahead and do a bit of research with all these AI voice agent products. Right now I'm really liking VAPI, but 11 Labs does have that workflow management, which I think is kind of cool. So you can dynamically update the different voice prompts. AI agents while you're talking to them. So I might just keep them both. And I know there's another one that's retail AI. So let's try retail AI and see if it's worth it. I don't want to enter this. Screw it. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I guess spend a bit more time learning 11 Labs and VAPI, and I'll probably do a comparison to see if there's any other AI voice agents out there, and then I'll kind of think about which one I want to spend some time actually learning. I might learn 2 at a time, just so that I understand what's in the market and try and provide the pros and cons to each of them. So I think VAPI is probably going to be where I start. It looks pretty cool because it's a developer first AI agent, which means I can swap in and out different models. I can do different, I guess, phone providers. Their AI model just seemed a lot better. And the response time was noticeably different, better than 11 Labs. 11 Labs was like 200 milliseconds, and from what I saw on the comparison there, VAPI is like 75 milliseconds. So that was really cool. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed the stream. I'm going to be focusing on AI voice agents a bit more in the future, and that's where I'll start to put together a lot more demos, and I think that's going to wow you guys. So again, if you've enjoyed today's stream, please like and follow. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on YouTube. Otherwise guys, have a fantastic day and thank you for joining. See you guys later. Bye.